ene dis ya ban ya His Excellency John Dramani Mahama die ni mu die omba die ntwamu die ye wonom eya de pa na no yi National Cathedral ni na mframa mu sende yi wonom de be ye yi cultural center eno ho nsem kura de mfa ntonche ya Canada na wo ensantwerefo nhye mumu ena opani ba ko ya se ukọ mayi mra hye bedwafie ya ono ena ba so nko ya onom wo man no mra hye bedwafie me che ranking member on our committee ya wonom hwe saa ne ba yuso ayo ura first Michael Ochre Bafi ena wode atudwa kirem se ensembe na so afọ no ka no wan enya de crash 24-hour economy mo be ya no na mo ne da so na mo ye enti ye dwumadie ya ya hyase no eno ena mo se mo betwam obua kra na eno ena wo kyem se wohwe one district one factory ya ban dada na de ba ye no a wonom enya hwe kra no omo moden se emu ohara ahasa aduonu mienu wonom hyase ya wa bra wonom efri akondwa so no na emu oha ene aduosia nkono de wonom awie etende no utwam no utwam sesen ya wonom ebisa wonsam na moma ye ntie ye wura yi na nsam odi tudwa
to come here and just have this. It's about the 1D1F issue that the minister talked about, that the 1D1F has been cancelled. And clearly, if you look at the budget statement that was read to us last March, there was no replacement for this policy. They only mentioned a policy called the feed industry policy. And a very insufficient amount was allocated to that project, which I raised an issue on the floor of Parliament. But what I'm addressing today is about the fact that we have 322 1D1F companies at various stages of implementation. 169 companies are fully completed. So these companies are operational. So you just can not just stand up and say these companies also would not know their fate. That's not too good for us as a country. That the policy has been cancelled. What's the meaning? It means that those companies that have already been established or incorporated because of the 1D1F, what will be their stand or the future of these businesses? And so what we want to propose to the ministry, that the ministry must carefully think about this and have a transition period, because this was a policy that was instituted by a government, and we ran it for almost about 6 years. And so you cannot just say that it's cancelled. There's the need for us to have a transition period where we can sit down and say that, okay, now because you are already operationalizing this project or policy, you can still run it maybe till the end of the year or till the end of next year. So that after the end of this year,
mo no o chem say aban wudimi ntwam sa o esa say one district one factory ne ye shafse dada ebinum kra shafse ye adwuma enti wudumi nsore prako pe ama emeka ntre yen say na ye twam utwam sen e ba sa de na che say enema binom anse da ntwa yie ya ye wran wa kire ensem musa e de a kire ade se ye nto akase no so ye twam wo atoya tv bantam ne ye ko gina wo atoya mantam ansa na yaba na ya betwa so e wo ye mantam wo na wo atoya mantam mu no adwuma go ba ko ya friend say Goldfield Ghana ya no e wo takrade site na amane boy ya eba ne say ya de say adwuma yeko ya wonom ye adwuma wo ho no akirem say ya de say wonom ye wo ye kire pa na oya kire ya wonom ye ene say aya sadma yefuyi no wom dwubedie ya wonom di no na ese BCM Ghana Limited ase adwumayefo be se ahason adunum 750 workers na wonom ane adwumako ya yefra won se BCM ekọ contract ya na no she Goldfield no ase wonom ko contract na ande contract no wonom hyase ofie mpimienu ene adunum mienu 2022 contract no abawiye afi na entiasie mu no adodode ya ewo se wonom ensaka adwuma ya wonom ebe ye bo hye ya mpanifo hye wonom se mode adwuma ba wiye ya ne ye de be ma muni ne mo sabeka no akoye bibie wo ho na no ene ha wono ma enam so ma adwumayefo e kire se da bi ampani sisi ye yuti na se wankasa utiri hu a ye be yi wa yiboni ne santi twotwofo e de ma concern workers yi ayo reference say Benjamin Asma na Benjamin Asma ne ye bonkomosi.
BCM has refused to pay us our beneficiaries. The most painful aspect is those that they have gotten an injury through this operation or through this work. Ghana Medical Board has declared these people that they can't work again in their life. It will be painful. Those people should have been even sorted out. But as we are talking now, those people are among us. The company has refused to take their medical bills. The company has refused to pay their compensation. And we are all suffering. About 750 workers. We are in the house. Our source of livelihood has been cut off. People are not getting money to fund their children's school fees.
That they are going to, they agree that we should go that route. The person that should be involved in this discussion, why is that individual? If they were here and they are to commit to something, then we can, and that has been the discussion from day one. But unfortunately, whenever we need to have a round table meeting, they fail to pitch up.
When I was say yes in Kunja, not yet nasi bobo, huh? And so ebrebia ibe hia mpanifo awodo no nyina no kamia kwaye se na kwaye te se kotumame hwe oto agrobi ana yedi ni wo ha enti kwabem se ye nyina ye betumi ahia mu no de ye ntumi ensi agina bia eno wonsem bi eno no na wo sansem mu ne ensem nkrata awodo ya wonom twero ede koye no omko ya edi bi ekosi opani ya oyeso afo ede ma de hye ya wonom wo atoye mantam ye wuro no monyafo Joseph Nelson na wo se bo ede atudwa ekirem ne ya ye de aboa ama saa de ye adwumayefo no wonom hwehwe no ye atwa yi moma ye ntie wonsam.
So far the disrespect so shown by them to Nananom and to all the parties involved in this matter, it's mind-boggling. I mean, to say that coming to the RCC poses a security threat to them is disrespect so shown, is something that by them. I mean, it's just an excuse to stay away. At this stage, I think that the ministry itself, the Minerals Commission, will have to be brought into the picture. The Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources. And so, with the information we have, what I think we will do after here is to see, to write to the ministry to take it up.
Aha, enti eho ensem eno no onumunyafo Joseph Nelson ayo pani ya ono ene mantam soafo edema de hye ya wonom o atoye mantam no mu ana watene nka enchiremu awodo ya owo eka sansam yi ho no eno ena ye wrei wa chiremu ede ensem ya etisa nso ato edwai Ghana de hye yeguso eka mo se aha ye liberty adokurum bienu na chiripo enso nkasa vidie so ana waso egusi ya wutie wei aye kasebo ya yade esomo ede afri ye mfidie mu liberty adokurum bienu na chiripo enso bomade so be ko Facebook okwa eye my liberty fm my liberty fm na wa like ya share wadwenjire nyina fa guo me brepam jebeje bre na fe yakenkan nyina ede amawo ye nyina ye nimsem se enche ye bia na yade hye ye mmofra no wono ko ye si nkondwa etwero bi si ensohwe no na bi si sohwe wono twero wi a na wutimi wo se obi atifie otifie a wo twen de wo twen hye nkunimdie mapambeba ewo ensohwe no mu na akunimdie nso de obi a ehwe na ade ba kwa ya na ye yem hyehye pa ne se toda obetia ne se ensohwe de metwero ye pa na ye de na e ba ya F9 change e ba sa so na ye yem hyehye ne santi liberty gas ya bo modern say ye ne opani ya ohwe ensohwe etwero so awo sa hwiyo so mansinin awo nwumasua tra ye ya e wa ha owura Michael Kwaten ye na bo nkombo abitan se ye rei ensohwe ne de na ano ana mo twere wie ye hyase ayehu mo bosome ne da na etoso du ba ko ne de ba bosome ne da na etoso edu enwotwe se ya mo atwere wie no ɛdeɛ na toa so na deɛ na yɛnhwɛ ni ma yɛsɛ yɛ mmɔfra ntoa mu yɛ mu hyehye mu kumkumkum saa na ɔse o da bi yɛ kasa yi ɛnɛ yɛ a ɛyɛ okuya da yi ɛna mpanimfoɔ ɛsɛ ne yɛfrɛ sɛ collation ase sɛ wɔnom nyinaa ɛkɔ akɔhyiam na wayɛk ɛneɛ marking scheme a ɔde ba no wɔnom aboobo ho akora kyerɛ sɛ yɛ a yɛbɛtwa no anaasɛ yɛbɛti no ɛne ɛkeka ho na sɛ wɔnom nya boobo ho wie saa deɛ na yɛ sɛ wɔnom ahyɛaseɛ maakia ne saa ata ahwie be bosome yɛ a yɛwɔ mu a ɛba na wie na ɔma maakia wie enti bosome ɔsana yɛ a ɛnkyɛ bɛsi ma guest mu deɛ na results no ahyɛ aseɛ ɛba enti awofoɔ ne adesuafoɔ mu ntiɛ
yo gidi ze de nkola yi modern bo musika so mbo ye de da me no kasam ka jo se so hwe ma ya ye nka ho ko person ko mture me amete heze ma hu do mturo ise china ya me adu ne ye ko ne yakobu yesu ani bi hu de nkola ne bi twuro ba bi mpo mi hu me de o gidi ze se de yesi bomba ye na o gidi ze ye wi na munyama ye hwe nde se hwe yo so se be kan acha be bu so me ba ko na e chire ni be te ho sama pesa di hu ko mo bi ni ahwe ya se fofora ye o chire be sa kan ya bo a se sra nkola ye o mu school ma ya na bambo ne yemi awofo bo mo ma je chef bo ho ba na mo be di fi awofo ne nko na bo mo ba ofu yesu nyina sori ye kwa adwuma ye jan kwara ofie ye nkoso ne ye ni nkunkola yen efi se america krai ebitme di ye di bebe di ama ya me ye ni nkunkola yen america krai so bitma sa kwara no kwara abra bokora na de o ye bia so free school ba ye hwi omu guru fe onko school bi ti fie di ano pa wi anwumre omu edudu fan wa me ya abranti bi ono neti ne fichire a oni da no so se wo de na nanfo no okoba ko ni ma ho so mi no so mi nsen na akofo asem de ayede e de ama ofu ne me ye ni nkunkola oni ye mo wode se be bo mo ye ogidi se hwi o so be fa ntoma pa fira san kola ya ye de ti omu kola ya ni ya america club ye nyina ye free system no obi eni ho abebo bra bi ya de amasa wi na san kola di ya na ye ni ho a mo be hye achi
mo enokra emrantie bi ni mo ho a omo no wo ya omo dan omo nim abofra we kura de nya emrantie nkwampanifo no bi so ka ho wo mo nim abofra ene onya twa nanim ahwe sika ati hye ne ne ma ekwa enti we di awofo ade se de mo hwe mo mofra ho ban ma yen na yewura Michael Kwaten wamfane nsam no ansi wo kura what the two Jawabra Cassia Epono, ye be son say a pempin, you be one say, as I see beba crazy my trap papa. Now so I didn't know ometim. Yes, say, examiners and I said one of my walk on my case and Sedana. I no monte of Franasi. And I want why ye cannot hear say obefa one more winning the yes from I was a man of one now. Dear so and I now why ye ejina ofa obi say onje na onko ma kepi pebi e ma mofra no.
Okay, marking ankasa waye edge qualification bia from basic first degree and above or first degree with a master's bia it man mark you be a uchire subject and now what chire bia jai say ya education a education since ya nchire ba ya chire jai nti mu bua kwanya to na chire for no apply ti apply no ma hwe on criteria no ma hwe qualification ne subject awoye because me say mwa mark social studies see we social studies waje from diploma na the highest means say woni mdie was subject nti apply na ya salate ni akotwo akoma point ten do is ye ko ye free western of is ye ko so he also mean say be 30 something ye ko ye nya akwara bia mpo ben western of is be ya pakra market ye ko market different region ye so ye de na ko region for the coalition ye ko isi ye has ye mu bi kotakrade e bi kokuma ase nti every person mo de ba me ya market no mo de no so no ha last year say me ko market akra nti this year we don't know because na ye ko nti omo hye sa ensa kana ensa ko market ena o marking so paper na nsa ko marking bo me you don't even know the school now ko marking there because ono an say what the paper no say nkwala no try exams na you don't write the name of the school at the back of the question paper the name of the school na ya envelope na ya the back na nti why dey mo be envelope ni na nti dey pa ma say free extra kwatin na ko marking do ko school hen free when no o mark here ma wa ka no mangasa a ko college more results na is no more easy results na nti qualification the starting from first degree and above and it's a subject now come marking so we unya in-depth knowledge in the subject so first degree I say we first degree in maybe mathematics or first degree in social studies or first degree in any other related subject now come marking and so now qualify or the subject now as a mark
okay na say and the ne kwan so ano ne kobasa na aboa na yanya ne mapapa e wo mofra no enso hwe ene ho ensensem hu na woni krokra mu na enei wakasa ede atudwa ede adesede pa ade ama desuafo ye a wonom twero ye ene awofo se mamu ye mu hihye mu oni o twere ye no eno a o twero papa be ba na watwa na wo se ene wakoye pandi ya wo hwe twero nso hwe twero so e wo ye mansiri mu no ne mpai bo nyina ene se engunimdie mapa ebeba ede ama ye mofra na mama ye ntie ne nsem no epi
okora ne nyame anim se nkora no pepes no de obetworo no no ane mark but the good thing is nkora no bi ho se matworo pa ne bia na de mpo ebisa na nye ho asem na wotworo no BEC mark a simple thing. This stated 3 ways of ABR, 3 forms of environmental degradation. Yes, it's stated care. Could a bit imagine how could try sitting, and you're quite on your just state, your point. Deep in idea of kind of Bunem, Fabi, and when you some do one hour on my head, and you was also some kakrama a pay everyone. In the truth be told, Colano, you want to say a answers na a pen one as near the mom. Major, the last year, quay say, Colami State, 3 gadgets. I say, ooh, 2 Kurasia, be here. After we use sagages, we bet you buff, bet your wristwatch, we bet your no baby. Yes, a crime of us will be now. Could I be say, nay, wristwatch, the bay indicated direction. In a kind of wristwatch, direction be the result. You do not watch run away. It should be in line with the area. The bee seems any and pen no one be brave. And take a crabby with much to be on because Christian no buy and I said, you told, you said you was in a day near it. Na BEC Nankas so Cranesia, we even say bees certificate and fan payment and find a policeman certificate. And I hear now Corana modern bow boy and I had not to screw our car with my ren. And the Anna Macan name said I who be brave as compared to others.
Alright, yeah, friends, Michael Quatin, ayo penny I no and a here and so here so. I was say you are so mentioning and woman she atana ye ya ewaha and a wajebre acheche and sama would say. Ede achen ha liberty adu kunu bi no na chiripo enson kasa fidie eso ana waso egusu ya wutie bombode ko Facebook okwa wadwenkyere ya efa kase ye fagu o ma ebrepam ye begebre na yakenken nyina ede ama na wode an se wode okwa bo my liberty fm my ne ye my afi bombode se obe like na wa share wadwenkyere ya efa kase ye fagu o ma ebrepam ye begebre na afi yakenken nyina enso edi amao Ghana de shema yen twa kase no so na yen ko gina mu ewo ensem foforo mu na ye twa kase no so na yakọ gina mu ewo ensem foforo mu ama yen fa ni nkyire mu ewo bibiani anwea so bekwai mansini no emu na ye kwa na je se ye ko gina mu ewo enwumesua emu na owura ya ye friend se Osman Abdullahi eye openi ya se wodi wedi ekyiremu ewo kogina Anglican Basic School wono ena ye churchfo pani ya owo ho na ono ena ndey wakasa ede ohawa hodo ya school no efamu ede ama wonom no kyerem school no de wonom ewo ha pa ya emoama engumesua enkoso na ba ko ya okasa fa ho pa aye nkondwa ya mofrai ebetena so na fe wonom ede asua de o kyerem se ha no onum ye papa o kyerem se sende wo hwe school no a wonom edodo no kane no na eye enipa bese aha nan aduoson bienu eno ye JHS no na so nde ye kasa yeso ate aba ahanu aduoson enum ya ni nyina no ohwe dodo ya wonom afri school no mu ane botae ne se abofra bebe school no akondwa kura ya obetena so de asua de no onya bi enti wakasa ede atudwa se sa akondwa ya wonom enya bi no aka ho bi ama ene ye kasa yi no wonom akọ kitchen ho enkondwa ne table ahodo ya wonom didi dwuma no eno ene ne wonom akọfa mamofra yi ebi eteso yesua de we no enya asem de enti wonom asere mpanifo sempanyifo mbransra ban mu emeboa sere be ya mofra yi benya babi atena moma yentie ne nsem ya ode tudwa abisha ye hwese yensa ebeka ye wura yi ne na ya bo ama tiefo gina so anya bi atie okay yeguso etoto niema se anka yensa beka ye wura yi ene na ya bo ama ya tiefo nso anya bi atie ewo kasafidie eso eha yen hwese afidie yensa beka ye wura yi ene na ya bo
we are going to shelter until after the rainfall. Now the boys if you couldn't have a bomb and say you have an incident or if you should bring contact coach around no connection. Until we banana cohonum, you could do a crophobia or
aha nti ene no na akoyi bibia wo ho na yentie nsi
obey school ha the challenges edoso na emom de high pa CCA nkonwa desk nkwala be transfer ba from class 1 to JHS3 you could have a population of first no na 472 but this year me no ka say at least about 275 nye bibia ntia nkonwa no say nkwala no ba school omunya ba bi ntina eto de bia this year mo kofi no makofa table eni namadwa na omtena so ofie edidi no na mo de ababa betwro nti basa ha eto bia kakra na ewo ho no ye cha enso mo so npa be 3 4 na mo te nkonya ba konso nti konya ne de eyade ha ye wo school wa
oh ayara wo sempa konja de ehia ebi ni wa mofra be den kora sua de ya yewrai akere ensam awodomu a etesa ede ache yen na woni nkasa na chi enam so ema assembly member ya wogina ewo kogina electoral area honorable Adai Frank ono so ekasa ye ede etubia se nimpa se ohawa awodo ya wonam efamuni ne santi okasa kakra na ne nkasa ye no okire mu anamonto ya watu ede afa ho na moma yentie ne nsam ya okan ye no bi
me yawe wo de ekoso kujina Anglican Primary JSS say me buy no headmaster any made in komo bebre efa omo challenges so dey work on building structure no enye intimini committee for nananom etua na mo say uku school ho bi say e wa yan be trip mi nugu honom ai pese de be yensie na yakopa nu yan so a e ba bet ahode na ba from e ba roofing sheet ne akande e ka ho a e de be CC school da na mana e kama ama school kwala na tremu a eno na say e ho akire ye wo ho a ye stress ankorankore ana say NGOs and say obi office bi nkwanta ha wo ba bi a obobra nyame atu ni som bia no famebo ay say de be ya e ko jang kan JSS no obi tuma CC say ya ka say because the weather condition ay wom say nto say ya the master ni excuse bia say obema kwala na kofi because kwala ntimi ntenso mu ensua de and over this so say oko edamu a this bi wo a kwala be 3 and 4 and 1 this so because of that nti awofun bibire kura yi wo mo kwala no kura free school mo because kwala no kofi mo complain say o mo titi form na o mo church ba sa awofu bi enu a ene modern Ghana obe professor ni ba enter from entro previous government no the latest bebre equal assembly honum sanka omomo ayin but ayanya mo bia we so ba yin so mini MC edi hu komo e ma na show me say common fan na nkwan so ba e ba on be hwedu mbitima ye na omde abo nti ye bese say obi a oti enka bia office bu nkwanta ha ana oye aban nipa ana say akwankure bia owo mo bia no omo ayi na insisi kujina Anglican JSS because ayesa school no
ti eno wasamana no assembly member ya wogina mu ewo ho na ode ensem awodo tudo na onubonyamfo Adai na wote ne nkai kase na sibre no nti yemfa ensi na DJ Loski enso ento aso mfama wo medidi osomafo kwame owusu tikese KOT me sore so na fe DJ Loski abasada kwa ma brand ye friend say ADB ne mode mo ene ka ho bi ma wo hu yen ewo Facebook ma monitor wa Jimmy